Take command of the road in the 2014 Acura MDX. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Acura prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Acura's comprehensive certification process, including a 150-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.